expressing pleasure in meeting someone. Unpacking, nice to meet you. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common and important phrase in English, nice to meet you. This phrase is typically used when you meet someone for the first time. Expressing pleasure in meeting someone is a key part of making a good first impression. So, let's explore how to use this phrase correctly and its different variations. First things first, let's understand what we mean by nice to meet you. This phrase is often used in introductions as a polite response when someone introduces themselves to you. It conveys that you are pleased or happy to make the acquaintance of the other person. Example: Person A: Hi, I'm John. Person B: Hi John, nice to meet you. Variety is the spice of life, and English is no exception. There are several variations of the phrase, nice to meet you, that can be used in different contexts or to simply add some variety to your conversations. Here are some alternatives. Pleased to meet you. This is a more formal variation of nice to meet you. Glad to meet you. This expresses a stronger sense of pleasure upon meeting the person. It's a pleasure to meet you. This is often used in more formal or professional contexts. Good to meet you. This is a more casual or informal variation. When someone says, nice to meet you, to you, how should you respond? Here are some common responses. Nice to meet you too. This is the most straightforward response. The pleasure is all mine. This is a polite and somewhat formal response. Likewise, this is a shorter and more casual response. Practice makes perfect, so let's use nice to meet you and its variations in some sample dialogues. Dialogue 1. Person A: Hi, I'm Emma. Person B: Hi Emma, nice to meet you. Person A: Nice to meet you too, John. Dialogue 2. Person A: I'm Mr. Williams, your new manager. Person B: It's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Williams. Person A: The pleasure is all mine. And there you have it. Remember, nice to meet you, and its variations are essential phrases in English, especially when you're meeting someone for the first time. Practice these phrases, and you'll be making a great impression in no time. I hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!